That is a giant shiner. Oh my god. That thing is huge. Look at that thing. It had a white grove. Step on it. Good buddy. Oh, it's a walleye. No way. Oh, I got it. Nice. Oh my god. I've been wanting a walleye from this spot forever. Oh my god, look at that. Beautiful walleye there. Oh my god. Look at that. It might not seem crazy to you guys, but I never catch walleye. That is so sick. Beautiful fish. So cool. Look at that there, you guys. Gorgeous walleye on the white grub. That is so sick. Gorgeous walleye there, you guys. So cool. Let's let him go. Thank you so much. That was so awesome. Is that fish? Oh yeah, that's a fish. What? This thing feels very heavy. Probably a carp, if I had to guess. Loosen my drag a tad. Looks like he has me wrapped on something. Oh, he just popped off. I think that was probably snagged. That felt really weird. Ooh, fish on. Oh, it's hooked in the mouth, whatever it is. I think. Is this a sucker? What is this thing? Whatever it is, I really want to catch it. Oh, it just popped out. Oh, god damn it. I'll just grab my ultralight setup with a little trout magnet. See if I can get on some little fish. here. Should be better than just putting the corn directly on the hook. Oh, yep, that is a fish on. Oh, the hair rigs work. Oh my god. Man, this thing is not coming up. These head shakes are scaring me. Because I have a 10-pound leader going to the hair rig. So, I gotta be careful. Nice carp there. Good fish. They're so pretty. Oh, he has lamprey on him. Oh my god, wait, I actually want this thing. Okay, I got him. Nice carp there. But I'm honestly more interested in that lamprey. Oh, look at that, you guys got our carp. There's a little lamprey on him. Lamprey's safe. Let's check out this carp. I'm gonna give this guy a minute to breathe. Alright, got our carp here. This guy was just about 30 inches long. Super fun fight. Let's check out that lamprey. Look at that fish. That's so sick. Put it back. Look at that thing. Alright, let's get this guy back. See you, buddy. Oh, almost caught my rod. Okay. Oh my god. That was crazy. I was in the middle of setting up another hand rig. Let's get the net over here. Oh, that was freaky. Well, like I said, I would just rip them in here and net them, but I got 10-pound leader, so that's not really an option. Come on, buddy. Got him. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful golden carp. Perfect hook set with that hair rig. I'm gonna get a quick length on this guy and let him go. This guy, just about 27 inches. Beautiful fish. Beautiful 27-inch carp. Let him go. He's going upstream. Something's definitely messing with this one. Oh yeah, he's on there. Yeah, he's on there. gotta get over there. Ooh. Still got the bite. You know what I'm scared of is for my other rod to go off, because I'd be screwed. Looks like a pregnant female. Big old fat carp. "26 inches. Gorgeous fat female carp there. So sick. Let's let her go. Oop, this one's going crazy. Yeah, he's on there. Okay, yeah, he's still on. This thing is going nuts. So I was hoping I'd get another take before I left. I'm gonna leave in like 10 minutes. Nice. Nice. Making me chase them all around. Yeah, he's feisty. Man, this one's really gold looking. Really pretty. Nice. That's a beautiful fish. Man, he was like double hooked. Alright, this guy was 26 inches. That's so cool. I love carp. Pretty fish. Let's get him back. See you, buddy. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I know it was all over the place with going to like the dam. Now I'm carp fishing at a river, but I had a ton of fun. I caught that really nice walleye at that dam. Caught 4 nice carp. The smallest one was 26 inches, and I also got that little lamprey, which was pretty cool. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. See you guys in the next one.